So last year over the holidays, we were just in Disney World. That was where we celebrated Christmas, my husband's birthday, and also on to our anniversary. But we made sure that for our anniversary and for New Year and New Year's Eve, we were going to be home for that. Right before going to Disney World, my mind was already set that I was going to be using my Pochette Métis as my theme park purse. But I have decided that in case something comes up or something happens with my purse, I would have something on the side. So I brought with me my mini Pochette. It is the Christmas 2017 animation. That was the one with a giraffe. So I packed that with me, but already thinking that I was going to be using my reverse monogram Pochette Métis. So the first day I was using my Pochette Métis, and I almost felt like it was just too big for the theme park. I don't know, I didn't feel comfortable. I feel like it was just too bulky to walk around. It was a little heavy and all that. So in this video, I am going to be showing you guys my favorite mini bag to bring to Disney World. This is actually the mini bag that I use for pretty much the entire duration of our stay in Disney World. I think we were there for a total of 9 or 10 days. For the most part, this was the mini bag that I wore to the parks, or if we were just going out to eat or have dinner at a certain restaurant. And this was what I brought with me. Today, I'm also going to be showing you the essentials that I was able to fit in this mini bag that I used in the parks when we were at Disney World. So hopefully this will give you an idea if this same mini bag is going to work for you if you ever go to Disneyland or any theme park for that matter. So if you are interested in all of this, stay tuned and watch. So the bag that I'm actually talking about in this video as my favorite mini bag for the theme parks when we went to Disney World is, without further ado, my mini Pochette. This is the 2017 Christmas animation that Louis Vuitton came out with. This one is the one that is in the monogram. I love this pink detail and also this pink tab in here. So as you can see, this one is made in France. Let me show you guys the print of this one. This one has the 2 giraffes with all these bags that they're carrying. So you guys are probably wondering, why do I have a long strap on my mini Pochette? So this one I actually got off of eBay. Can't remember how much I bought this exactly, but I think somewhere around $3. And it actually took a while for it to be shipped. So if you are thinking of getting one, you should get it now, and you'll probably get it in like a matter of 2 to 4 weeks. So before I show you guys what's inside of this, let me show you guys how this looks on me. So this strap is actually the 100 cm strap. So the top part of the bag falls a little below my waist, 2 to 3 inches below my waist. I feel like the 100 cm is such a perfect length to wear this mini bag. So as a reference, I am 4'11". You can put it in front of you or on the side or even on the back. So now let me show you guys the essentials that I always brought with me every day to the park. So here it is. As you can see, there is still some room in here. It's wrinkling because it's not totally packed. And see that it's still very squishy. You still have a lot of room in there. So without further ado, let me show you guys the essentials that I have in my theme park mini bag. So here is how it looks inside. Let me take out the things one by one so you guys have an idea what I fit in there. So I always brought hand lotion in case my hand starts getting dry from always washing your hands when you go to the bathroom or whatnot. So I always make sure I have my hand lotion with me. And the next one, of course, is my lipstick. I love bringing this one with me because it is very much long lasting. It lasts all day. But I just make sure to bring this one in case I need to retouch. But more often than not, I don't need to retouch at all. So this is my Sephora cream lip stain, and this is in the color Marvelous Mauve. The next one is this blotting paper. This is by too cool for school dino plats. As you can see, it's fairly thick, but it is small. But I love this one because it comes with a mirror in here. So when you're retouching, you can use the mirror, put on some lipstick, you can use the mirror. And also the blotting papers comes with a poof that has a sticky thing underneath it. So every time you need to get one, you can just take out your poof and blot your face. Usually I just take out one piece of blotting paper from the poof and start using it. So this is very handy. It comes with the blotting paper and also a mirror. So the next one inside is my UV lip balm. So I always have this with me in case my lip starts to get dry or crack or whatnot. So just in case I need it, I always have it with me, or if the kids ever need it, I have it. So the next one I'm going to be showing you guys is for feminine hygiene. I don't usually get to use them, but I always make sure I have it inside my purse in case I need it for that day. So what I am talking about is a liner and a feminine wipe. So I bring with me one feminine wipe and one liner just in case I need it. And last but not the least is I always want to make sure that I have it. So this is a hand sanitizer. So what is inside of this, as you can see, there is no label. This is actually the Honest hand sanitizer spray, but I put it in this one because the Honest one that I have is really tall and a little thick. I have this container and I transferred it in here so it's not that bulky at all. So I want to make sure that I always have hand sanitizer, especially having 3 kids, and some of the small ones always gets into anything, so I always make sure I have this one. And that is it. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have another thing in here. I have a hair tie that I always have with me, and that is it. So for any of you who are wondering what is this inside, so this is actually a pouch that I put in the chain strap. Let me take that out. So this is the chain strap. I didn't want it scratched by all the things that's inside of there. So I wanted to protect it with a small pouch that I made. So I put it inside of there so it doesn't get scratched or tangled on everything. So I put it inside of there. It doesn't actually take up that much space because it just gets squished on the side. You wouldn't even know it's even there. So let me show you guys how I arranged everything. So here I put my blotting paper, and on the side I put my lip balm and my hand cream and my hand sanitizer and also my lipstick and the feminine product that I have. I can put it against the blotting paper container, and then my hair tie. I can just push that in there on the side, and that is it. Let me show you guys me closing this. So here is how it looks like closed. I have still a lot of room on this. As you can see, I can still squish it there. So you can still put other stuff in there. You can put maybe a couple of lipstick in here if you want to or whatnot. So there is still a lot of room, and I feel like I already was able to bring all the essentials that I really need for the day when I'm at the theme parks. So you guys are probably wondering why I don't have any card or any money. I don't usually bring cash with me, so that is out of the question. But I don't bring any cards with me because when we're at the theme parks, we're wearing our magic bands. And our magic band also is connected to our bank cards. So we really don't need to bring cards with me, but my husband brings his with him and I don't need to bring mine. So that is why I don't have any bank cards with me, because when I wear my magic band, I can just use that to pay for anything that I buy in the theme park. So for you guys wondering, what is a magic band? A magic band is actually a wristband that you wear with you when you go to the park. If you are staying in a resort hotel by Disney, they give you that as your hotel key. So that is your room key, and also that is your admission to the park. And you can also opt to put in your bank card in there, so you don't need to keep getting your bank card out. So you have that option of paying with a magic band that you have. Speaking of magic band, maybe later on I will make a video about it. We actually have a few collection of limited edition magic bands, so I will share that with you guys and I'll talk a little bit more about it. So yeah, that is it, guys. This is my favorite mini bag when we were at Disney World and when we were at the park. So I feel like the next time we go to Disney, I will definitely be using my mini Pochette as my theme park bag, because of how convenient it is, how easy it feels, and how light you feel. I don't know, I just felt liberated wearing this one instead of something really big and really bulky. So yeah, that is it, guys. This is my mini bag that I used in the theme parks. If you have any questions regarding this or anything for that matter, just put it in the comments down below and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. I'll see you later. Bye.